How to verify your account and age on X in 2025. This is a step-by-step tutorial, so make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. In your app or web, tap your profile and then settings and privacy. Step 2. Tap the premium or subscription button and then choose your premium or premium plus plan. Complete your payment if required. Step 3. Go back to settings and privacy and then your account and then identity or ID verification or account information, and then verify. Then tap Get Started. Step 4. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan a government-issued ID and take a selfie for a liveness check. Ensure good lighting and a clear background for your selfie. Step 5. Review your name and birth date. Submit and wait for the in-app confirmation. You will also receive an email when verification is completed. Step 6. Once you are verified, your check mark in your profile will be shown, and then age verified status are enabled. And you can adjust privacy and visibility in your settings. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.